Yesterday, I showed you how to make a square, my mother's way, and Elena Pat, the second elder, my mother made a square using this method where she used the tiknak as a unit of measurement to make this size square that fits her body size. Elena Pat went through the process of making a circle that fits her body size, which is also 2 tiknaks wide. And what I did was, and I had just talked about enlarging, and so I had enlarged this circle by doubling. So I doubled the circle to form this size. And I've made the circle from this square, and if I put this square underneath the circle, right where the north-south winds are, east-west, those points exactly touch the edge of each circle. So what that tells me is the circle is inscribed within the square. What I'd like to show right now is how to make a square out of the circle, back to a square. And my mother would simply fold this in half and fold it in half. Halving is very important whenever we make projects and our tools. We use the halving system, and I need a straight edge because, again, where these areas, the north, south, east, west, when I fold them together, become these 2 places, north and east and west. So in order for the circle to be outside precisely within the square, I have to make it touch from the 4 winds. So what I did was make a little mark, and because we didn't use much rulers, we'd use any straight edge, and I would go from the exact point to point, the corners, the 2 corners, and make a mark to this point to that point straight across. And this would be what my mother would have done. Cut that out very carefully. Open it, and we're back to a square. And again, she would proof it. Is that equal to this side? Is this equal to that side? Is this triangle equal to that triangle? Always verifying, is this equal to that side, the symmetry. And once I have my square and it looks beautiful, if I put this back over the circle I had used, I had made another one. Now the square is inscribed within the circle instead of the circle being inscribed within the square. And there it is. Whoops, I like to align the lines. So there it is.